This video is sponsored by AC Pro.
Hey guys, summer is here and I noticed that there is no cold air blowing in my truck today. So I'm going to show you how to use the AC Pro Extreme Recharge Kit in 3 easy steps. So first we're going to put our safety gear on. I'm going to start with my gloves and my safety glasses. Alright, the first step is to locate your low pressure port. Mine is located right here. And another easy way to know is because the fitting of the AC Pro Extreme Recharge Kit will only fit on your low pressure. I'm gonna connect it and you push to engage. And we turn the AC to max. So we're just gonna fill it up a little bit more by pressing the trigger for 15 seconds. Okay, this easy to read gauge will tell you if it's 0 to 25 is low, 26 to 50 is filled. If you exceed 50, be cautious and see instructions. Right now, mine is filled. So now let's go in the truck and see how cold the air is. It is freezing. Okay, this is perfect. I absolutely love this. To disconnect it, I'm just gonna lift here and pull. Well, there it is, guys. Really easy to use. The AC Pro Extreme AC Recharge Kit you can find at your local auto parts store this summer. And for more information, please visit acprocold.com. Thanks for watching and stay cool.